The criminal web expands over a Mobile pain clinic that federal prosecutors say was an out-of-control pill mill. Another person has pled guilty. News 5's Peter Albrecht has details of her involvement and what it means for the two doctors at the center of the investigation.
The case surrounding Physicians Pain Clinic and Dr. Xiulu, Ruan, and John Couch continues to grow. The latest to plead guilty and agree to testify for the prosecution, pharmaceutical rep Natalie Reed-Perax. She worked for a pharmaceutical company, Insys Therapeutics.
Point the nozzle into your mouth.
Makers of Subsys, a pain-relieving spray designed for cancer patients for whom standard pain medication was ineffective. Prosecutors contend that Ruan knew Perax, was interested in her romantically, and recommended her to the pharmaceutical company for the job. Prosecutors say that Perax knew that most of Ruan and Couch's patients did not have cancer and were not qualified for the drug. They say she facilitated a kickback scheme between the company and Ruan and Couch, who were paid hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that she was paid handsomely for her role during a 2-year period, making $700,000 off a base pay of just $40,000 annually. Perax is the latest to cut a deal with prosecutors. Nurse Bridget Williams Parker
Get away.
and nurse practitioner Thomas Justin Palmer have pled guilty and will testify against the doctors, as will pharmacist Christopher Manfuso, who received kickbacks at the clinic's on-site pharmacy owned by Ruan and Couch. Ruan's attorney says clearly the doctors are the big fish prosecutors are after, as they cut deal after deal with others involved.
Sure, I think Dr. Ruan and Dr. Couch are targets because they had very successful medical practices and made a bunch of money. If there's other people that may have engaged in some conduct that they shouldn't have engaged in, we didn't control that, we didn't know about it, and if we had known about it, we'd have discharged the people or terminated any relationship we have with them.
Now, prosecutors say at one point Ruan was writing more Subsys prescriptions than any doctor in the country. In October 2013, Ruan and Couch wrote 110 prescriptions, almost all for non-cancer patients, and billed private insurance and Medicare $572,000. Mel, that's more than $500,000 in just 1 month.
Wow. Well, what about the company itself? Is it in trouble?
Well, it is, and it's certainly possible that the company or some of its executives could be charged. And there's also a class action lawsuit against the company from the shareholders who claim that improper sales through Ruan and Couch and other doctors like them across the country artificially inflated the value of the stock. And since this all broke, the company's stock in the last 9 months down about 75%.
We thank you very much, Pete.